We turn $100 into wealth. How we turn $100 into wealth? Now I got two ways. My first way is slow and steady. My second way, well, that's a little bit more thrilling. Which one's going to make us more money? Let's go first. Gold. Since the creation of the US dollar, it lost 95% of its value. But gold, it holds strong. If we held on to that $100 in Samsung and we reinvested the dividends, it would be worth around $140,000. That's right, $140,000. We would have turned $100 into $140,000. And here's the thing, you don't need a ton of money to start investing. You don't even need to be lucky. You just need to be smart with your money. Invest in yourself. Invest in your knowledge. Invest in the markets. Over time, your money will grow. And if you're thinking, how do I get started? It's easy. Open up a Robinhood account. It takes 2 minutes to sign up. Then you can buy stocks, ETFs, even crypto. Plus, there's no minimum investment. You can start with $5, $10, $100. Whatever you got, you can invest in yourself. Invest in your future. Don't wait. Start today. And remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. Second best time is right now. That's all I got. Be safe out there. This is for the thrill seekers, the gamblers, the people who like to pick winners. In the 90s, I picked a stock, a company called CMGI. It was an internet company, a comm company, and I struck gold. The stock went from $30 to $300 per share. I made a ton of money, but I also had some misses. I picked a company called etoys.com. It was an online toy store. By the time I realized it was going down, it was too late. Lost all my money. You don't want to have those type of losses. So how do you pick winning stocks? You can use fundamental analysis. That means you research a company, check their business model, their leadership, their finances. There's a lot of work involved, or you can do what I did, the monkey method. I close my eyes, I throw a dart at a stock board, and I pick a stock that way. That's how I picked Samsung. $100 invested. Let's see what happens. In 2000, $100 in gold is now worth around $800. So if you invest $100 in gold, your investment will be worth around $800 today. That's why when times are tough, people turn to gold. It's a financial fortress. You can buy physical gold coins, bars. I got some here in my office. God, if you don't want to get robbed, there's an easier way. Go digital. Go open up your Robinhood app. Trade, trade, trade. Gold's not flashy, but it's a financial fortress. I'm adding another $100 into gold. I just bought another 4 grams, locking in that stability. Now, my second way, stocks. You ready for this? In 3 years, our $100 investment in gold will be worth around $1,200. Not bad, right? Well, guess what? If we held on to that $100 in Samsung, it would be worth around $14,000. That's right, $14,000. Now, I know what you're thinking, Tim. That's luck. That's not skill. Well, you're right, but sometimes luck is what you make it. I got lucky with Yahoo. In the 90s, I got lucky with Amazon in the early 2000s. And I got lucky with Samsung in the last few years. Now, don't get me wrong. These companies did really well. They grew. They innovated. I just happened to buy at the right time. But you can't always time the market. So what I do is I buy great companies at fair prices. I basically stick to this strategy. And over time, my returns have been pretty good. In 10 years, our $100 investment in gold would be worth around $26,000. Still not bad. But guess what?